everyone, Mrs. Meenakshi here. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. Today in this video, we will learn about the alluvial soil. For the latest updates, kindly subscribe this channel. जैसा कि आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं, this is the picture of alluvial soil. Crops are grown here. अब इंडिया में alluvial soil कहाँ-कहाँ पाई जाती है? आइए देखते हैं. This is northern plain. ये पूरा नर्दर्न प्लेन एरिया एंड दिस गुजरात प्लेन एंड ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स आर कवर्ड विद एलुवियल सॉइल. अभी हम एलुवियल सॉइल की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के बारे में जानेंगे. उसके लिए मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगी जस्ट यू आस्क 6 क्वेश्चंस एंड द होल क्वेश्चन of 3 marks or maybe 5 marks you can write in detail. So वो 6 questions कौन से हैं? जैसा कि first question आप पूछिए, which kind of soil is this? So the answer is it's very fertile. How is it is formed? इसका formation कैसे होता है? It is formed due to sand and silt of Himalayan river system. Location where it is found. So it is found in northern plains, coastal plains, and deltas of rivers. Which kind of crops are grown here? So sugarcane, rice, wheat, and pulses are grown in alluvial soil. So what is the chemical composition of this soil? It is rich in potash, phosphoric acid, and lime. And what's about the classification? So as per the age, it is classified into 2 types, that is Bangar and Khadar. आइए इसके बारे में डिटेल से जानते हैं. So characteristics of alluvial soil, it is the most fertile soil and widespread soil found in India. The entire northern plains are made of alluvial soil. So it is deposited by 3 Himalayan river systems. वो कौन सी rivers हैं? The Indus, the Ganga, and Brahmaputra. It is formed due to the deposition of fine silt called alluvium by these rivers. So it is found in northern plains, Gujarat plains, coastal plains, and in the deltas of the rivers. So which rivers are those? Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. So it is divided into 2 parts, Khadar and Bangar, on the basis of its age. The new alluvial soil is known as Khadar and old alluvial soil is known as Bangar. It contains soil nutrients such as potash, phosphoric acid, and lime. So it is very fertile and suitable for the growth of sugarcane, rice, wheat, and pulses. In the upper valley region, which is known as Piedmont Plains, 3 features are found. They are Chos, Terai, and Dwars. There, the soil is very coarse and that is rough in nature. So what are these Piedmont Plains? They are found on the foot of mountains. So the 3 features are Chos. So this is the foothills. It is found in the foothills of Shivaliks, which is lying in Punjab. And Terai, it is the belt of marshy land or at the foothills of Himalayas in North India, which is generally found in Uttar Pradesh area. Dwars, these are the foothills of eastern Himalayas in northeast, which is found in Assam region. Let us see further. These are Piedmont Plains. You can see here in the foothills of Himalayas, this is the Piedmont Plain region. Let us understand with the help of the map of India. These are Himalayas. In the foothills, in these Piedmont Plains, 3 features are visible here. This is Chos, Terai, and Dwars. I hope you are clear. This is very simple and easy. Now comes the classification of alluvial soil. As you know, alluvial soil is divided into 2 parts on the basis of their age. New alluvial soil is known as Khadar. इसको आप इस तरह से भी लर्न कर सकते हैं कि it is very very fertile, like इसमें खादें मिली हुई होती हैं, तो it is Khadar, which is very fertile. On the other side, there is Bangar, which is not that fertile and which is the old alluvial soil. In the CBSE, 3 marks or 5 mark question can be asked about the difference between Bangar and Khadar, or any question can be asked. Let us go through this. Bangar is the old alluvial soil. On the contrary, Khadar is new alluvial soil. Bangar is having the high concentration of conker nodules, and at the same time, Khadar is having low concentration of conker nodules. And in Bangar, bigger particles are found, and in Khadar, small and fine particles are found. Bangar is less fertile in comparison to Khadar. Khadar is more fertile. The reason is because rivers are bringing every year the new layer of sand and silt, so it is more fertile. And Bangar is found far from the river basin. It is the older one. And Khadar is found close to the river basin in the floodplains, and every year it is renewed by the rivers. So it is very fertile. I have prepared a table of all kinds of soils and with their all important features. Why I have prepared this? Because it will help you for the quick revision during examination time. In one glance, you will come to know about all the features of all different 6 kind of soils. But today, we will study about only alluvial soil. The important features I have taken is name of the soil, that is alluvial soil. Quality, it is very fertile. Formation and classification, yes, it is classified into Bangar and Khadar. Composition, yes, the chemical composition of alluvial soil is, it is rich in potash, phosphoric acid and lime. Which crops are grown? Sugarcane, paddy, wheat and pulses. Areas, location. The area of alluvial soil is northern plains. And any speciality? Yes, the special feature about alluvial soil is it is deposited by Himalayan river system. This way, all the important features of different kind of soils you will see in my next video. Next video will be about the black soil. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.